Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived the arrogant Prince Aaron and the clever, strong Princess Athena. Though it was a peaceful village, the dragon in the eastern mountains had recently stolen the symbol of their kingdom, a ceramic chicken.
A great travesty has occurred. I expect that you will be able to get back our precious ceramic chicken.
I would be honored to right this wrong.
I sure hope so. Spit it out!
The prince has been captured!
But go get him!
As the knights were clearly not going to take action, the princess decided to take the matter into her own hands.
I've come here to assist you in this dangerous quest. I'm good, actually. Are you sure you know how to love it? I'm kind of missing Cinderella right about now. Help! Help! Don't worry. Stay there.
I doubly knighted. Aaron, what are you doing here? Get up.
Oh, man.
And they all lived happily ever after.
Doing here? Get up.
Oh, man.